So I'm listening to Half of a Yellow Sun by Chimamanda Adichie, the audiobook, because I have so many things to do in the house. I thought it's better I just listen to it than to read the book. But I had to turn it off. I'm so disappointed because it's not a Nigerian person reading the book. It's not an Igbo person reading the book. I assume, I haven't checked. But the Igbo pronunciation is so bad. I mean, it hurts my ears. My Igbo is far from perfect. And I don't blame anybody that struggles with pronunciation. But why would you not choose an Igbo person to read the book? Listen to this, okay?
Because he would be in the southeast, in the land of Igbo Uku art. You will learn everything fast, osiso, osiso. You have brought the houseboy, Ibota Goya.
I mean, if at all you really didn't find an Igbo reader to produce the audiobook, at least somebody should have told them how to pronounce it. You know, because I struggle a lot to teach people how to pronounce my kids' names. Jijoke, Ziora, and Uchenna. We chose those names even though they are very difficult to pronounce for Swiss people. But we made our kids learn how to teach people how to pronounce their names. Because their names shouldn't be abused just because it might be challenging for somebody to pronounce. So when you have a book with Igbo names and Igbo towns and Igbo words in it, why would you not choose an Igbo person to read the book? I just really wish for at least the next audiobook you're producing, find an Igbo person to read it.